Good morning. It's okay. Stock selection for today. Most of them are pharma industries. It has been falling for a long time. Right now, it's consolidating. There's a good possibility of an up move right now for Sun Pharma and other stocks as well. Lupin, Sun Pharma, then Bharat Forge. Let's see for a breakout. Even Hindalco, it already gapped up. So if there is a retest over here, then I'm going to buy. If, if it just keeps going, I might enter it a small trade, which is wrong actually. Then there is Biocon. Oh shit. What would you do if you see something like this? It's 4% gap up opening. I was supposed to take a trade here because it was somewhere near the resistance range. If it breaks, I could enter. Things like this, you can't really do anything. It might go up, but what's the target? What's the stop loss? You'll never know. So I can't take a trade. Look at the volatility. Let's see what happens. Can take this target. I'm going to enter now itself. Okay, let's let it go for a retest because it's almost hit my this will be my risk reward ratio. That it's really bad. Let's wait for a pullback or a retest, then we'll have a confirmation. Even this one, it crossed this level as well, so it's going a good bullish sign. Volume is not that great. Let it come for a retest then. Bharat Force took resistance. In 5-minute time frame, it's also breaking the 200 moving average as well. So today is a good bullish day because after falling, now all the things are at a right price to buy. Thing is on what you have to trade, that you have to see. Concur has results coming out today, so that's a good target, but it's very bad. 1:2 ratio is bad, 1:3 is better. Smaller the stock was, the better. I haven't entered yet, I'm just preparing the quantity and all those things. I won't be live for long because nobody sees and I need some. Okay, it's a huge rejection point. So then there is some things to find out over here. And looks like this 4% gap up is a fail. Let's see what happens. Let the 15-minute candle get formed. Until then, let's go for some other stocks whichever. I think today Tata Steel, if there's one red candle, there will be a profit booking chances. Okay, it's already red with a huge volume because yesterday's rally was too much. There will be a profit booking at one point, but I didn't expect the first candle to be green, red. Sorry. I can take this target, easy target. If I find a reversal, let's wait for the 15-minute candle to form. Then when it breaks a 15-minute high and low, then you can find out. Right now you can see this as a support, previous day's high. If that breaks and it's going down, then you can expect one target till here. I'm using the moving average as a target. If you want, you can go with the pivot points as well, because see, usually it coincides somewhere near there, and S2 is not that far as well, so we can go for that as well if I am shorting. Around 3% fall, because yesterday was a good move. Let's see what happens. Okay, Bitcoin, I don't think I have to see it anymore. Okay, one failed breakout on the upper side. Let's see if it's going to break out on the lower side. Pharma sector opened in positive, but it's falling down. Sun Pharma is looking good on a bullish side as well. It's not going down. I think I can enter it right now here. Stop loss is very big, but I could take this as a stop loss as well, this VWAP. So let's see. This has a potential first target over here, around 1%, but the ratio I think I'll go with Sun Pharma today. Let the 15-minute candle get formed. If the next candle is green, then it's going up. Looks like still inside the triangle, so it's going to be a good breakout over here if it's still inside. Bharat Forge gave a breakout. Yeah, here side. Let's see. It's looking like a retest. And emotionally, when we think we could enter, let's enter. This one, if this level is going to break, then it's a bad trade. So if I'm entering, if this thing is fail, I'm not going to enter on a shorter side. Market is looking good. Only some bad news might put the market down, which will happen in the afternoon, that's for sure. This is mostly because China market is going up because of all the day traders who are buying in. Okay, we can wait till here. If this level is going to be broken, then there is no point in entering. That's the last line of support. I think I want to enter right now because I'll never get this stop loss ever again. And Sun Pharma is looking good in my views. Problem is all the other stocks are falling down right now. All the pharma stocks are falling, so I'm worried. Okay, Hindalco is getting rejections. Okay, I don't think we can go long on Hindalco. It's not going in a good bullish sign on longer time frame. And looking at the chart, it's almost at the all-time high. And the first candle in the morning candle itself, it's looking very bearish sign in Hindalco. Let's see. Hammer. Okay, this is a breakout on the downside. Bad. So I can't go bullish on pharma stocks right now. I think I'll take this trade after this candle is closing. Well, good thing I'll wait for this candle to close for proper confirmation on which side I have to trade. I think there will be one more candle I have to wait for. Then there will be a good bullish sign in this one. Sun Pharma is looking bullish because it's still in that same range. It's somewhere in that channel. You see. Where can I find the channel? Here. It's moving this channel for a long time. So yesterday I was waiting for this reversal to happen and I have seen it. I just thought I'll find one more point to find a confirmation, but by then it just went up, so I didn't take a trade. Even Tata Steel, I knew around this area it will take a rejection and go up, but I wasted a lot of time checking for signs to go bullish, which didn't happen, sadly. Okay, I'll be entering over here then. I bet it's stop loss, if not a big stop loss, because both the wicks are over here. I can go such long at the stop loss, not more. It's a early trade for me as well. Not the right time to enter also. But my stop loss is looking good, far enough, and it's not giving a closing below the VWAP. Let's wait for this candle to close. Same here. I will go short on this Bharat Forge. I think it will go sideways from here. It's not a good momentum, and this triangle also is not looking that great, and this range is very choppy here. So if it had to break up, I would have seen a second green candle and broken this level as well. Then would have got a clean move. So let's see. After a while, if it's going higher than this level, somewhere over here, 786, then we'll go for long. Okay. Hindalco won't be trading. Then it gave a closing below the VWAP as well. It might go sideways. Might break out, but let's see after consolidation. Even here, consolidation. Right now the 15-minute candle is done. The 15-minute candle range will be this to this. So we'll wait for the breakout in which direction, whichever direction it takes. We'll have a stop loss of 7 rupees. So it will be a good move because minimum target is 1.5%. That's 1:2.7. Go according to your plan, whatever quantity you want to buy with the stop loss. Remember, your quantity should be like quantity is equal to the amount of money you want to lose. If you can lose mentally, get ready to lose. You can lose 300 rupees per this is delivery trading, so equity intraday. So I'm going small, so imagine you can lose 100 rupees in per trade. So your quantity should be 100 rupees and the stop loss price around 7 rupees. So 100 divided by 7, how much will that be? Around 15, somewhere around 15 maybe, I'm not sure. Use a calculator, be sure. Okay, that's done. But Forge is looking bad. Bharat Forge, this one closed looking bullish, this is looking bearish. Doing exactly the opposite. Let's see after these 3 candles if it's going up, because it's looking like that 3 soldiers, some candle pattern. Let's see on the larger time frame what is happening. One bigger red candle with the rejection. Right now it's going up, could be a retest. If it's called a retest, then it's going to be a short position itself. So if the next candle, if I'm going short right now, that's a good risk to reward ratio as well. But look at this, what's happening. This could today, I think it'll go sideways also, so let's see what happens. There's still time for the 15-minute time candle to form. On a lower side, this is the target, first target. After that target is touched, then this one and then this one. For now, let's keep this one. Anyone watching? No. Okay, good bullish sign. If you see, this is going in this range again, the choppy range. Previously there's huge choppiness over here in this range. Okay, Tata Steel there. When did this happen? When did I even put this? It's consolidating, come on. There will be a good move after this breakout. A lot of stocks are consolidating. Tata Motors is looking bullish with the gap up because of the price they have. I thought so today will be a good bullish day because it reached almost the bottom and this was the last stop, like support. This was on a weekly basis, weekly support range. So I was expecting it to touch here and then bounce back, but luckily this went up. I had written it in my journal as well. I had to buy it if this level is crossed, but I didn't see that. I think I want to go on a swing trade on this Tata Steel. Lupin can come till here and next support level, but our first target can be here. Wait for this more 15-minute candle to enter. You can use this as 200 moving average for stop loss. Enter around last 20 seconds because by then you can find out which type of candle it is really forming, or is it will make a fool out of you if you enter. Happened to me, reality. Whatever fucking this noise is. Okay, Hindalco. It's a breakout, so we can enter long position. End of this wick is a big stop loss, but once it's moving up on your direction, then you can risk to reward is really bad right now. Let's see this candle closing, we can understand what is happening. Okay, Tata Steel is a good buy now. All the steel products are going higher. It's not a short. when the candle closes, enter. Never before that. Sun Pharma, no use. This one will be the next entry to find out whether to enter or not. Hindalco, Tata Steel, and Lupin. Is there anything else taking internet? No. Good bullish sign. I think right now we can enter even Hindalco target. Mostly because steel prices are going higher, and even the what do you call the motors auto sector needs steel for its production. Usually you would have entered here when you see. Okay, this is it. Sun Pharma, no, Lupin. Yeah. Lupin is entry for me. Stop loss will be somewhere here. I am using the VWAP as the stop loss at the price enter. This candle I have to enter. I haven't entered yet, just waiting, calculating my quantity. See these two red line and green line. This you can access by somewhere over here. I don't remember when where was that? Price lines. This one, tick on that. Then bid and ask line. So you can like on a smaller time frame you can tell where it's going next. See, it's going next here to this level. This is all the selling points. Okay, it's a good selling point right now. Should I enter? Now how much retracement will happen next? Look at this red line. When it goes up next to the price will move up there, and if it is going down it will go to the green line. Things happen like that. Okay, it's looking good on Hindalco and Tata Steel. I think I'll go with Hindalco because no, Hindalco already it's on all-time high, even Tata Steel, so I can go on anything. Yep, come on, I can see there is a rejection. There's selling coming, profit booking. Same thing here. The volume we can really understand. I wish I had bought it here. Let's see if the volume is very significant. How to find whether it's significant. Volume settings. Hey, open. Yeah. Style, volume, moving average. I'll use a good color. See, it should be above that. Then it's significant. Rest all us bullshit. check on other stocks as well, because I'm not done a lot of homework right now. This was yesterday's breakout of the channel. Most of the steel companies broke out, and now it's going up. There's no reversal point. I told you if this was a red candle with significant volume, it's not happening, so it's good bullish sign actually. I had to enter here after this candle, which I didn't, thinking it will go reverse. So reality. Haven't entered it yet. Looking good, but this could be my real target, but I'm not seeing many signs whether it will go up. Order is ready to place. Well, looking like it will break my stop loss. Something like this, mixed emotions, really. Can come up to that wave up line as well. Let's see. Next 8 minutes, so 2 more candles. If the next candle also is green, then the other candle will be red, because it's looking like that 3 soldiers pattern. It's looking like a small retracement. Corrections. No trade. I'll take this one. First target, second target. This is my first stop loss, second stop loss. I'll keep it on the system stop loss. Will be kept on the second stop loss, because I'll exit on the first stop. Mr. Reward has been destroyed right now. So 200 moving average also is here. Okay, my order got placed over here. Mental stop loss. Let's forget about it. If it hits stop loss, main stop loss will be it. Let's see for entry for loop in, and looks like it's mixed emotions. And yeah, like I said, the next 15-minute candle was important for this retest to happen. If it's not crossing the 200 moving average, good, well and good. And if you see the 30-minute time frame, you can see it's a forming doji. The triangle, you can see it in 30-minute chart also. So could this be a reversal on a larger time frame than 1 hour chart? This is one doji forming, or it could just go sideways inside candle. So there's still time for that 1 hour candle, only 2 minutes. Okay, this could be an second opportunity given to you, but I think I'll take this second opportunity right now live to tell you it might hit stop loss. It's a retest. Short loop in, stop loss 1.6 okay, and bit large stop loss D, and yup, I think this 50 more. Pin 19 point. Orders get placed always on the later side. Stop loss 3 rupees, no problem. I think I have to keep it at 102. Loop in 102 point. Okay, let's see what happened to Tata Chemicals. Nope, it's going sideways. I'm going to reduce my stop loss here. If it is looking bad, just reduce the stop loss, try to break even or do something. This is not really a clear sign of bullishness also. It could go choppy and go up, so keep your stop loss somewhere it might not get hit. That's all. Right now it's around 743. I'll keep it 744. Well, I thought this is an inward head and shoulders. It can come in any angles as well. There's clear uptrend. Could be a retest, which I thought it would be a retest, but it's looking like shit test. Shitting my conscience. Luckily, I'll just keep it a very low quantity because I know these things will happen. So emotionally, I just need it to be strong. That's all. That's the reason I am doing it. If the next candle is green, then even this is bad. Okay, I'm not trading on Sun Pharma because it is looking choppy and going sideways. Real bad. Shit on that. Let's find something better. I think there was some good opportunity in this one. I'm going to my favorite and trusted app, the Telegram channel, to find something useful. Okay. Okay. Well, look at it. What do you think you can do? Right now it's going on a sideways direction. This was